friends. Good morning to everyone. I am Prachimani from KK Polytechnic. Welcomes you all in online lecture on types of sentences. So we will go through the details. The first of all, the course outcome. By learning these different types of sentences, you will be able to formulate grammatically correct sentences. Also, in writing skill, you will be able to develop meaningful construction as well as transformation of sentences. Also, in case of speaking skill, you will be able to use well constructed sentences in communication. Now, what is sentence? Sentence is a group of words that is used in the combination and togetherly it forms sentence. Making meaningful thought by using appropriate sentence construction is the main aim of sentences. So, as per the uses of sentences, we are going to see the different types of sentences. Now, sentences can be used for asking a question to someone. Also, we can make a statement, or we can go for having command or request, or we may exclaim to someone. For example, if I have to ask a question to someone, the tone, the sentence construction must be like that. If I have to make a statement, definitely it should be in the same format. If I have to give some orders or request to someone, accordingly I have to select the words. And if I have to pass the command, exclaim to someone, definitely the different structure of sentence will occur. On the basis of above uses, there are different types of sentences. There are total 4 types of sentences: interrogative sentence, affirmative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Now, at a school level, you might be well aware about different types of sentences. Now, sentences are based on the purposes, and how can we identify what is the different types of sentences? So here 4 types of sentences have been given there. The statement. Sentences can be in the form of statement. It can be declarative type of sentences. So generally when we make a statement about something, then that kind of sentence structure is used. So usually statement or assertive sentences, they ends with the period, that is full stop. We own a cat. Second is questions. Maybe to ask someone the questions, definitely it forms interrogative type of sentence, and usually interrogative type of sentences ends with question mark. Where is the cat? What is your name? How are you? So that type of the sentences can be used to ask a question. Third category of the sentences is here exclamation. When we are making some of the statements with certain emotions, and these are very intense emotions, sometimes we may be aware or may not be, even then exclamatory sentences are created. So generally exclamatory sentences are with exclamatory mark. The cat is cute. Oh, I miss the bus. So in this sense, exclamatory sentences ends with the exclamatory mark. The fourth one is here commands. So generally when we have to give order to someone, request to someone, suggest to someone, at that time we use that kind of the sentences. So in short, it is called imperative type of sentences. Generally imperative sentences, they begins with verb, and it may be affirmative or negative type of sentences. Generally, imperative sentences ends with periods or sometimes exclamatory mark. For example, feed the cat, complete your notebook, look at the window. In this sense, you can have proper understanding about 4 types of sentences. Now we will see how transformation of sentences occur. Assertive statements are the statements who ends with here full stop. So statement is given. You can observe the example. Example number 1. Tagore was a great poet. So generally assertive sentences is having a structure that is subject, verb as well as object. Now same assertive sentences, if I have to transfer it in interrogative sentences, generally we use here verb or helping verb, and then we use subject, and then we make it negative. Means if assertive sentence is in positive, that is affirmative, then in interrogative usually we go for opposite. That is, we are using a negative sense but without changing the meaning of the given sentence. So Tagore was a great poet. How it can be in the interrogative? It can be like, was Tagore not a great poet? So yes, surely Tagore was a great poet. Like that second, you cannot win this match. This is already negative in the sense, so in interrogative it can become your positive. Can you win this match? Yes, or may not be. So you cannot win this match. Third, he will never forget my kindness. Again negative. In interrogative it will become your positive. That is, will he ever forget my kindness? Answer is never. He is an honest man. Is he not an honest man? It means he is really honest man. Next, there is nothing on the table. Is there anything on the table? That is nothing. Second category is here, transfer imperative sentences to assertive type of sentences. So imperative sentence, just I told you, it begins with what? That is verb, that is do. So do the work. So it can be in assertive form, means we have to borrow subject and then we have to complete this sentence without changing the tone of the sentence. So do the work, you should do the work. So here subject, verb and object. You will get complete sentence structure of assertive. After that, always speak the truth. Again this is imperative. So in assertive, you should always speak the truth. Third, please open the door. It can be in assertive. I request you to open the door. Now let's type of the sentences, they are also considered as an imperative. Let's walk by the riverside. So generally the sentences who are starting with the let's in imperative form, it can be transferred in assertive form by using here we. That is, we should walk by the riverside. Next, don't be so rude. So in assertive form, you should not be so rude. So these are the rules for imperative to assertive without changing the meaning of words. Third category is here exclamatory to assertive. Exclamatory sentences already we have studied. Generally sentences, it may starts with either how, either what, or that is we can say here intense feeling of the person. So let us we will see how big the mango tree is. So very simple, we can easily transfer it into assertive, that is mango tree is very big. Next, what a beautiful scenery. Here there is no subject and verb, so you can borrow it. Generally we borrow it. It is a very beautiful scenery. Hooray, we have won the match. So first of all, convert this intense feeling in the sentence. Hooray is the positive type of feeling. So it is a matter of joy, it is a matter of happiness that we have won the match. Next category is here, if I were a young again. So the sentences, exclamatory sentences starting with if, generally it is converted into I wish. I wish I were young again. So these are the differences between exclamatory sentences and assertive sentences. Now these are some of the sentences I have given to you for your more practice, that is exercise. Let us we will see. What a pleasant surprise. Make assertive. The given sentence is already exclamatory, so we can make it assertive. So it can become here, it is a very pleasant surprise. Next, close the cupboard. Make assertive. You are ordered to close the cupboard, or you should close the cupboard. You have to attend the seminar. Make imperative. So you have to remove your subject and verb and just use your main verb and complete this sentence. That is attend the seminar. That's it. That is only imperative. Are they wise enough to take the decisions? Make assertive. So this is interrogative type of sentence, and as per our rule, if the given sentence is in positive, it will be negative in assertive form. So in case of interrogative sentences, we are going to use here, they are not wise enough to take decisions, as a part of answer of this question. He will never learn a manner. Make interrogative. Again the same rule. If negative type of sentence, it will be in assertive, it will be negative, it will be positive in the interrogative form. So he will never learn manner. It will change with will he ever learn manner? Answer is here never. So it is appropriate. Is he not a bright student? Make assertive. Assertive, the given statement is in negative, so it will become positive. He is a bright student. Next, are you interested in offer? Make assertive. You are not interested in offer. China demolish very fast. Make exclamatory. How fast China demolish? That is exclamatory sentence. Generally, immediately after how, we have to use here adjective. How fast China demolish. Next, you are requested to help me. Make imperative. Remove subject and verb and start writing with the main verb, and main verb is here help. So just write down help me. Last sentence, you should never tell a lie. Make imperative. So imperative will become here again. Do not write down subject and verb. Just start with never tell a lie. So it will feel here awkward. So you can say here, don't tell a lie. So in this way, as per the tone of the sentence, we have to transfer the given sentences, but without changing the meaning of the given sentence. Thank you. Definitely for learning different kinds of transformation, you have to remind some of the rules and categories. That is most important one. So once again, thank you very much. Good day.